Hi, it's Mrs. Jackson, and today I'm going to introduce teaching a new high frequency word to your student and then ways to practice it using a cookie tin and magnetic letters. You can find these for very inexpensive at Target or the dollar store. This method I'm going to show you today is from Jan Richardson's book, The Next Step Forward in Guided Reading. So the first thing you can do is just have them touch and spell like so, W-A-N-T. Want. We always want them to do the return sweep to solidify their understanding of the word. You can also take the cookie tin away, take away a letter, show them again, and ask them what's missing to see if they can recognize part of the word is missing is W. W-A-N-T, want. You can also do more than one letter at a time and say, okay, what's missing? And the student would have to then say in order that N and T were missing. They would still have to go back and touch each letter and spell it out. W-A-N-T, want. You can also mix it up on the board, then reveal to them where the letters were and say, okay, now fix it. And they would have to then put them in order. W-A-N-T, want. And then this is where you can maybe have them practice on a piece of paper or a whiteboard and have them write the word. So that way they're seeing it multiple times, reading it multiple times, and thinking about what letters in what order is in the word want.